Good morning. Well, today we are finally going to get that little greenhouse out back moved so I can clean up that horrible mess and mow properly out there. So Chris is just getting the bucket back on the tractor. He takes it off to mow. And so we're going to get that done today, and then tomorrow is going to be one of the most exciting days in the year. We've got the insulation coming. It's been a few days now that Chrissy's been coming outside with her little chicks, and like the older hens, they are just loving having that little clump of trees for shade. She's sprawled out having a little sun bath, so she gets a little bit of rest too when they're doing their own thing. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it, Chrissy? This one still wants to get under her, but yeah, she's still pecking in the dirt and talking to them. It is just such a joy watching her. And look at all of them over there with their putting their heads through the fence. I think the next time I clip the cut the grass in the orchard, I'm going to give the clippings to them so they can go cuckoo. When we mow with the tractor, the hens are all out there eating in the fresh grass. Oh, yes, scratched your baby, silly mama. Are you enjoying the sun, Chrissy? Isn't that nice? That one yellow one is so big. The little black ones are still the tiniest. I don't think they're getting their tail feathers yet, that little black one there. It's going to be fun watching to see what the colors are like. There's two yellow ones that I think are almost identical, and the little black ones, the smallest, I think are almost identical. Not sure how that happened, but anyway. Well, time to get some work done. No more fooling around. I have just been itching to get this little greenhouse moved for months because the mess is just driving me crazy. Plus, it's obstructing the raspberries. This new cherry tree was looking a little sick because it was so dry, and we've had quite a bit of rain since. And look at the new growth on this little shoot from the dead tree. Just amazing. I put them right beside each other because they'll never get that big, not before I die. And of course this one is my favorite tree because we got cherries off it last year and it's loaded this year. Everything is just doing so awesome. Look at this mess along here. Chris has got to take the rebar out of here. We had it pegged down with the rebar because the wind will take everything. So he's got to get the rebar out, and then we should be able to get this thing free. Look at the thistles back there, the size of trees. Well, we encountered a couple of small wasp nests in there, so Chris got stung getting the rebar out. So now we've got it up on the 2x3s, and we're going to try just pushing it from this side because it's pretty much free of everything. Trying to move this so that it's not twisting and almost crumpling is the problem. We've got it moved almost the width of the greenhouse, but of course the raspberries and everything's catching on it. So now we're going to try and figure out how to pull it the rest of the way. We might have to put a lag bolt in the wood at the bottom and put a strap on it and pull it. Because when we try and turn it, well, now it's digging into the ground here, so we got to get it up off that. This thing is pretty much at the end of its life. First got to fix the door where he hit it with the tractor, and then this corner he hit with the tractor too, so we'll try and straighten that out. But yeah, it's really just for storage now. this one here has to go underneath?
Yeah, we gotta get this one.
Pull those out?
Get it started, and it'll come around the side.
Yeah, it must go behind that front
No, it
one.
goes this way.
Oh, in the front?
Across the end.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You take that out.
You want to take it out? What do I say? Don't ever throw anything away. I don't even remember where we got these landscape logs. But we need about that much to go under this end to make it level. So that's what we're using. Now the raspberries are free to take up that whole space there at the end. Get this thing jacked up and leveled now. So we've got it pretty much in place. It's not perfectly level, but good enough. And now Chris is just going to fix a couple of the bent parts, and then I'm going to put cardboard, then fabric inside, and skids. Then I can load all of this crap back in. Now you can't see this ugly greenhouse from the road, which is nice too. Well, we got the door fixed about as good as it can get. Or something hit by a tractor.
Be straight out. I'll put the bottom at the same time.
Yeah, this is the last part we gotta fix. Can we get that back in the channel? I don't know. I just don't know. Look at this grass. I'm gonna have to get the orchard mowed again. Sure looks like more rain today. Better go get my cardboard. Peace. Are they all tucked in? Oh, not all of them. Little penguin guy is over there. Your babies are so precious, aren't they, Chrissy? You're such a good mommy, aren't you? You're such a good mommy. Little penguin wants to jump up on your back. Little penguin's comb is getting a little too big to suit me. Oh my goodness, look at the wings on that big one over there. Yes, they're getting so big, aren't they? Look at him eating through the fence. The grass is always greener on the other side. Oh, look at that little cutie. Hey, Wilma. I believe you're sitting on about 8 or 9 eggs right now. Would you like to stay there for about 21 days and be a mommy, or are you too grumpy? I think you might be too grumpy to be a mommy. I'll change plans again. That rain is coming this way pretty quick, so we are going to move inside and finish getting the door covered and everything ready for insulation tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to get all that stuff hauled out back and the greenhouse done before the rain comes. It's coming pretty fast. Not too much longer till these guys are ready for freezer camp. Boy, this was the best decision we ever made, is to just park the chicken tractor and use it for a shelter. They get so much exercise, and they just, well, they're sitting now, but a lot of them move and run and everything all day, chasing bugs and scratching and everything, and we're just not finding that their legs give out or that they cannibalize each other and that sort of thing. This is working really well, so we'll keep doing it for sure. So I will have to leave this for a couple of days. Left my tripod out here. I'm gonna have to mow this mess, get it flattened out. Still got a little bit of a ditch here, so I've got to get the ground evened up for it too, and then of course get this mess put away. It will be nice to have that cleaned up, but gotta move inside and get inside stuff done right now. So we've got to wrap the door, because it's a brand new door, in the plastic, and then we're going to hang a piece of plastic from this wood as well, so that nothing sprays into the kitchen and gets on the floor or anything.